Hello everyone, we are again here with one more NEET video. In this video we'll be talking about the NEET application form, how to fill it, where to fill it, and what all things you need to fill the NEET application form. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and like and share the videos as well. You will get all the information regarding NEET plus 11th and 12th biology, be it CBSE, ISC and even NEET. So we'll covering the whole syllabus of 11th and 12th. So we'll start the video. NEET application. If you are opting or to appear for NEET, you need to fill an application form to sit in that entrance exam. First of all, which agency conducts this NEET exam? That is NTA. The agency which conducts NEET is NTA, National Testing Agency. Even your CBSE board exams are conducted by NTA. So NTA conducts the NEET exams. Now the official website, which website do you need to go and fill in the form? That is ntaNIC.in. So this is the website, the official NEET website, wherein you can go and fill the form, and what all particulars are needed, they are uploaded there. So this is ntaNEET.nic.in. Mode of registration. Now how do you register? You register in an online mode. That is why you have to visit this website and then start filling in your application form. Application fee. Now listen carefully. There are three categories: general, OBC and general EWS candidates. Then we have SCs, ST and disabled candidates. So these are the three categories. For general, the payment is rupees 1500. For OBC and EWS candidates, it's 1400. And for SC, ST and disabled, it is 800 rupees. Fine. So for general category, you will have to pay 1500. OBC, general and EWS, it's 1400, and SC, ST, disabled, it is 800. So these are the fee charges which you have to pay to appear or register for this NEET exam. Payment mode. Now the payment mode is online as well as offline. Now online, directly आप card से you pay the payment on the website, and offline is where you send a draft to whatever address is given there. So the modes of payment would be online as well as offline. Both the modes are available. What are the passing marks? What are the marks you need to get in your 12th exams? Or you can, what are the marks you need to get in NEET, so that you know that you have cleared or qualified? So the marks are 120 to 180 out of a total of 720 marks, and rest, very important, depends on the cut-off list. Now the cut-off list is that किस बच्चे ने कितना ज़्यादा स्कोर किया है, and the cut-off list goes, if it goes high तो आपके ये नंबर और बढ़ जाते हैं. If it is less, the numbers are reduced. But the passing marks, you can say it's around 180 out of the total marks. So, but rest depends on the cutoff. Cutoff plays a very important role in a competitive exam. So, cutoff lists are prepared on the basis of the merits or you can say the marks with the children's score out of 720 total marks. So, these are the conducted by official website. Now when you go to the, listen very carefully, this is something important. When you go to the official website, you get a list of particulars which you need to attach there. It should have your 12th mark sheet, it should have your this category certificate. If you are general, no category certificate is required, but in both the categories you need to submit your category certificate also. Then there are multiple other documents which are asked. Aadhaar is there are multiple other things which are asked for. So those certificates will be uploaded there. Documents will be scanned and uploaded there on the website. Then you make the final payment. You decide to make an online, you can make an online or an offline payment. The passing marks obviously depends on the cutoff list. We will be in detail talking about this distribution of this 720 marks into physics, chemistry, botany and zoology in our next upcoming videos. Plus we'll also talk about the difficulty level of all the three subjects. कौन सबसे ज़्यादा difficult है, कौन easy है. Now specifically, this is a general information which remains same for any NEET exam any year. But when we talk about specifically NEET 2021, which is going to happen here now after a few months, the forms filling date has already passed. So you people must have filled in the forms previously. पहले से Feb में the forms filling was there. Submission is in March. Payment till last week of March 2021. Application correction. Now what is application correction? Application correction is wherein you have filled the form and now there are certain things which you need to change in the form. Maybe आपने कुछ गलत fill कर दिया है. So you can do the correction till April 2021. Only last week was given, so you do the corrections from April on. Keep visiting the website जब तक आपका जो process है पूरा complete नहीं होता, because you get new instructions there on the website. I am there to update you about that. So if you don't even visit it, you miss something, I'll be updating you for that. Release of admit card will be by end of April. Release means the admit card will be released. It will not reach you. So अगर April end में it is released, तो May में you will receive the admit card. Exam date is 2nd of May as of now. As of now, you know the scenario, it can change as well. Result will be declared in June. Now this is officially there, but the changes can happen, as you know that the changes has been happening, but still chances are they'll stick to this. Fine. So this is your these are the various instructions, or you can say important dates for NEET 2021, and the general instruction about the NEET application form, what you need to know to fill in the NEET application. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Like and share the videos so that other children can also benefit from the channel. Thank you.